Okay, let's shop our Alienware R11. I got 10400F, that's good. I got 1650 Super for GPU, that's pretty good too. I got 8GB of RAM, that's a little bit low nowadays. Let's jump to 16GB. Oh, $98, that's kinda overpriced. Maybe I can do something else. How about do it yourself, smart guy? Hi guys, it's me, Ryan again. Today I'm gonna show you how you add a RAM into your R11 system. You don't want to get from Dell because they're gonna charge you a premium that's $50 more if you can get from aftermarket. And the one that we are going to use today is an aftermarket RAM that I got from Amazon. It's $37, which is much cheaper than Dell. They charge you $99 from 8GB to 16GB. So let's get into it. Let's put this into our system. So first you want to do is to unplug everything, all the power cable from your system. Of course the display cord, the USB cord, everything that has power ran through. And next, grab your screwdriver, unscrew the screw that on the case. And now you just have to put that little tab and the panel is gonna pop open. So you just grab the panel, put somewhere safe, don't drop it because they won't send you a replacement for that. And now we just have to get this power supply away. So put up this tab and put up this tab. And you can swing open it just like that. But be careful, you have to use two hands. It's awfully difficult one-handed. And now you have it inside the case. And there you have it, your memory. And the red memory in there is the exactly same as the one that we bought. Let's open it with our DeWalt screwdriver. And as you can see, Dell is pretty smart. They already put mark into those slots. So 2 whites and 2 black. You want to insert to the white, so it has dual channel. So all you have to do is just push that little tab and push the one on the top, so it's opened. And you just put your RAM card on the slot and then give a little push until you hear a click. That means it's in the slot. And make sure it's tight, completely insert. And now you have it, 16GB RAM. And next, we just have to close the case, put everything together. So you pull back the power supply, push down the tab, and pull back the panel. The panel is gonna be a little tricky because you have to line up everything on the bottom, where I got stuck for a while. Little struggling. Screw back the screw. And plug in back all the cables. And now you're good to go. Let's boot up the computer, see what happens. And after boot up, you will see a warning message. It says the amount of system memory has changed. So what you want to do is click BIOS setup. And it will restart and then it goes to the BIOS. After you see the menu, you want to go to Advanced, and you go to Performance Options. And make sure that XMP memory is at XMP2. Then you can just save and exit, and then you're good to go. And after the system boot up, go to your computer, right click this computer and go to Properties, and you will see your RAM is at 16 GB. And also you want to check the speed of your RAM, so you go to Alienware Command Center, and then you want to go to Fusion, and here you have your memory clock, which is at 2900, the one that you pay for it. And another way to check your RAM capacity is go to Task Manager. So click More Details, Performance, and then click Memory, and then you'll see 16 GB. That means we have everything complete. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.